Hey, my name is Mark, and today I'm going to talk to you about what happens when your emails end up in your client's spam box, right? So in order to understand this, we really have to break this down and throw the spam emails, right, into the right bucket. So there are two buckets: emails that get checked as spam at the server level, and emails that get checked as spam at the client's level, right? So let me explain that a little bit. Now, when you send out an email, the authentication is actually done on a server level, right? So how do you know that your email was actually blocked at a server level or pushed to spam on a server level, right? Is to go and check your delivery report. Now, if you have 100 people that we send the email to, you will see a number like 96 or 97 or 98 or 99% delivered. Now, this number indicates that at the server level, the emails are fine. So how do we know how to optimize? See, this is where we take care of it. We actually know what is the text to image ratio to use. We make sure that there are no spam words inside the email. We make sure we do the authentication for your domain. And we have SPF policy and DMARC and those things. It's done on a technical level at the back end. Now, if you see a very high number for delivered, it means your email has passed the server, right? Now, the other thing to be concerned about when thinking about spam is how do your clients actually behave when they see emails come in. Now, if you think back, right, when you click spam on any of the emails that come into your Gmail, for example, Gmail starts to learn that this is what you think spam is. Okay, these are the type of emails that you consider spam. But Gmail is a machine, right? So it's just going to take the parameters and assume another email that looks something like that is also spam, right? So the key thing to do here is if your emails end up in spam on your client's inbox, do advise them to click not spam. So the email program will start to learn again, right? This is an essential step. So don't get concerned if some of the emails that you send out end up in your client's spam box. It's quite natural because they may have clicked on a similar email as spam before. Okay, so if you have any questions about this, please come back to us and we'll be happy to walk you through your program and see how we can help you, and we also can do an assessment for you if you need. Thank you very much, guys.